Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy fractional shares on Moomoo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is open up our Moomoo app on our mobile device. Now, if you have a fractional share in mind, we can go ahead and use the search on the top right hand corner. So let's go ahead and click on search. And now for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Tesla. So I'm going to type in Tesla. Here it is here. So I'm going to click onto Tesla. Then from here, we need to initiate a trade. So tap on the trade button on the bottom left-hand corner of the page and then click buy. Then we can select market or limit as your order type. And then you want to enter the quantity in decimals. For example, 0.25 shares or a dollar amount. The minimum buy order is $5 US or 0.0001 shares. So what I can do here, order type, there's only limit on this one. So I'm going to just have limit, session, 24-hour trading. We can do regular trading hours, overnight trading. I'm just going to do 24-hour trading. And now the quantity, I'm just going to buy 0.25. And then from here, it will show me the amount. And then I'll go ahead and click on buy. Then I've got to put in my password. Now it's unlocked, so I can buy. So I've got to go buy, and it'll say some trading tips here. Fractional trading only allows regular trading hours, day orders, and can't attach orders. Please adjust options or modify quantity. So as it states, only allows regular trading hours or day orders. So just keep that in mind. Then once you do that, go ahead and click on buy.